clever. Things I should say to you, they got stuck somewhere. Stuck between me and you. Oh, I'm nervous. I don't know what to do. Light a cigarette. I wanna smoke all night with you. What the hell do I do that for? You're just another girl. Hey, kinda sexy, but you're not really special. Right out of mine. If you take me home, come on, take me home. You're out of mine. If you take off all the clothes, come on, take them off. I like you so much better when you're naked. I like me so much better when I'm naked. I like you so much better when you're naked. I like me so much better when I'm naked. Jag heter Kristoffer Lind.